Hi, I'm going to show you the basic functions of Whiteboard.chat. The first thing we do is start a new session by clicking the Start Drawing button. You can say the collaboration session for this video. I'll cover the teaching session separately. Then you can invite other participants by clicking the invite button and then click the clipboard to copy the invite to your clipboard, and then you can send it via email or put it in a calendar invite or WhatsApp or whatever. And once people start joining, you can see their uh, avatars appear in the top right and their cursors on the screen, and you can see what they're doing, what they're drawing uh, as they join, so you can collaborate in real time. And they can also, if you double click, or you can just type on the screen to type text. You can draw using your mouse very easily, and everybody can see each other. You can change colors by clicking that icon on the bottom right. You can change the brush size as well, which impacts the size of the text box too by clicking the bottom right. Then you can also select an object and transform it, so you can either move it to a different place. You can import images, so you can import PDF files or images into the uh, board directly, and then you can annotate it. So like I'm going to, in this example, I'm going to load a PNG image, but you can do PDFs, which if you had multiple pages on the PDF, it'll create multiple pages on the board automatically, and then you can transform them. You can double click any of the objects. You can say rotate it, resize it, move it. You can even animate objects. You can. This is the only board that we know of that can animate objects uh, to make it more fun. So you can move it to the side, you can draw on top of it and annotate it. So that makes it easier for people to collaborate on a drawing board. You can click the line icon to draw straight lines as well. So you can see that I'm drawing lines now very easily. You can clear the whole, uh, you can erase parts of the board just like a whiteboard eraser, or you can just clear the whole board by clicking the clear button, and it'll erase it for everybody. That's pretty much it. Thank you for watching, and please let us know if you want any, if you have suggestions. Thank you.